India's death toll from the coronavirus pandemic rose to 1,007 today after 73 fatalities were reported in the last 24 hours as the country stepped up to ease the restrictions under the lockdown that have already lasted more than a month, a media report said. The number of infected persons jumped to 31,332. The Union Health Ministry data showed at 8 a.m. with 1,897 new cases of COVID-19. The rate of recovery rose to 24.55% after 827 people were sent home after being cured, the Health Ministry's dashboard showed. Serious allegations are rife that 8 security personnel from Assam station in Delhi who are infected with COVID-19 have been denied treatment for quite a few days. The Jawans are not even admitted to hospitals. According to a report, the Jawans belong to the 31 Battalion of CRPF. One of them hails from Changsari in Kamrup district. He was found COVID-19 positive on April 24 last. However, he, along with 7 others infected by the deadly coronavirus, are yet to get any treatment. Allegations are rife that the health department did not follow up their cases even after they tested positive. Public criticisms of the government's handling of the COVID-19 outbreak has landed several persons in trouble with the law in Manipur, according to a report in the Indian Express. Official records show that police have invoked sections of the Disaster Management Act and Indian Penal Code to press charges against them. In Imphal West alone, there are more than 10 cases, including 3 relation to sedation. Meghachandra, Imphal West Superintendent of Police, told the Indian Express that there are over 10 cases under the DMA and at least 3 cases have sections of sedation. US President Donald Trump doubled down on China for failing to tame the coronavirus at its very origin, saying it has led to 184 countries going through hell, as several American lawmakers demanded steps to reduce dependence on Beijing for manufacturing and minerals, according to a media report. Trump has been publicly blaming China for the global spread of the invisible enemy and launched an investigation against it. Trump has also indicated that the US may be looking at a lot more money in damages from China than the $140 billion being sought by Germany from Beijing for the pandemic. Nikhil Bishnupriya Manipuri Mahasabha Manipur donated Rs 7,000 to the Manipur Chief Minister COVID-19 Relief Fund. P. Samarendra Singh, a resident of Jiribam's Goakhal, also donated Rs 3,000 to the COVID Relief Fund. 3 individuals from Thoubal constituency donated a sum of Rs 1,10,000 towards Chief Minister's COVID-19 Relief Fund yesterday. Laitanthem Basanta donated Rs 50,000, Yunus Sheikh of Thoubal Moijing Awang Lekai donated Rs 50,000 and Sanasam Ranbir from Thoubal Sabantongba donated Rs 10,000. Dr. T.H. Dubli, founder president of Manipur Tourism Forum, has been conferred the Order of the Rising Sun, Golden and Silver Rays Award for the year 2020 by the Japanese government in recognition of his contribution in promoting the understanding of Japan in India and friendship between Japan and India. He is one among the 3 Indians and 114 foreign nationals to have conferred the award this year.